It's your special day, so let's rejoice with laughter, love, and a joyful noise. May your heart be filled with glee on this day of celebration for thee. Happy birthday to you. May your dreams come true. Wishing you a year of bliss, filled with love and happiness. May all your wishes come to life and bring you
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Ayan, ilang taon ka na? Ang wish namin sa iyo ay manatili kang malakas, kung gaano kalakas yung pananampalataya mo sa Panginoon, ganoon din ang kalakasan ng iyong pangangatawan. At sana manatili ang iyong kalusugan at wala kang dinadamdaman na anumang sakit. At maraming salamat sa iyong gabay, financially, morally support, at saka yung unconditional love. Although medyo possessive sometimes. Anyway, we wish you all the best sa birthday mo. May hiling ka ba? Pinatayuan ka na ng palasyo na yung anak. Ingatan yung health mo. We always love you. We love you. I love you. Ingat sa lahat. Kita-kita pa rin tayong lahat. God bless.
birthday to you. May your dreams come true. Wishing you a year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Mang. Happy birthday. Sana lagi ka lang magaling, walang sakit. Para makita ka namin soon. Ni Malo. Okay. Enjoy your birthday and celebration. Okay, hello po sa mga dumalo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you, Mamang. We love you. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Another year has come and gone. We're gathered here to have some fun.
Magandang umaga, ma'am. Magandang umaga sa iyo. Happy birthday ka pala. Ngayong araw, pinaka-importanting buhay sa iyo na ipinanganak ka sa buong buhay mo ay ang iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday sa iyo, ma'am. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Sana at huwag masyadong malikot dyan. Manood ka lang ng TV. Saradantayin mo ako sa akin pag-uwi. At magkita tayo. Magpalakas ka lang dyan. Kumain ng marami. Tandaan mo, Mang, mahal na mahal ka namin ng iyong mga anak. Ng aking mga kapatid. At lagi mo tandaan, Mang, andito lang kami ng iyong mga anak na nagsasabi ng maligayang kaarawan. Ngayong araw na tayo sa iyo, Mang. Mahal na mahal ka namin lahat. God bless you always and happy birthday. Thank you. God bless you all.
Let's raise a glass to celebrate a special day, a special date. Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true. We're so glad you're in our lives. Let's make some unforgettable vibes. You filled our lives Let's dance and sing the whole night through. This birthday's all about you. Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true. We're so glad you're in our lives. Let's make some unforgettable vibes. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. You filled our lives with joy and cheer. A friend so true, a soul so dear. Let's dance and sing the whole